Hello Disney enthusiasts, theme park guests, travel vloggers, ready to join me on a magical adventure in Tokyo Disney. This park offers a unique experience unlike other Disney parks around the world. Today I'll give you a detailed guide on our one-day itinerary filled with thrilling rides and delicious food and unforgettable memories. Welcome to Tokyo Disneyland, where the magic of Disney meets the vibrant culture of Japan. Start your day early to make the most out of your visit. Jump aboard the Jungle Cruise for a scenic and humorous tour through the dense jungle. Although the commentary is in Japanese, the visual gags and the animatronics make it a delightful experience. Next, head over to the Pirates of the Caribbean. This classic ride offers a captivating storyline and impressive special effects. Keep an eye out for Captain Jack Sparrow. Make sure to experience Splash Mountain. The log flume ride is filled with catchy songs and adorable animatronics, and a thrilling drop at the end, perfect for cooling off on a hot summer day. For lunch, indulge in some Japanese-themed Disney cuisine. We opted for chicken legs and a local twist on the traditional turkey leg. There are also plenty of rice-based dishes and unique desserts to try.